What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and in this video today is going to be a very special video because we're going to be discussing this sought after goal that a lot of people have here online, and that's to make $250 per day online with the affiliate marketing, internet marketing business. Now, the reason why this $250 per day is a sought after goal by many people is because if you can generate $250 a day with your online business, you can make a little under 6 figures a year. So this is going to be a very interesting video because we're going to break down how the majority of the super affiliates and the gurus are making the $250 per day. And then we're actually going to be giving you a strategy and kind of breaking down how you can actually position yourself in your business with your affiliate marketing business so that you too can generate $250 per day. We're starting right now. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. And like we were saying, the goal is to generate $250 per day, right? So that's the goal, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So what I really wanted to address first is how some of the super affiliates and the gurus are generating, this $250 per day. Now, a lot of them have big lists. A lot of them have influence. They may have a big social media following on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and they're able to generate these $250 per day because they are able to, create their own product. Or like I said, they leverage their following. So if the super affiliate has their own product, they can sell that product for, $297. They can sell that product for $197 and then have some upsells. Some of them sell their products for $497. And even if they're giving 50% to affiliates at $497, they're still clearing that $250 per day. But a lot of them are charging between $297 and $497, and they're able to easily do that every day because either they have a big list or a big social media following. And even if you don't have a product that you've created, but you've got a big social media following, you can go ahead and leverage, affiliate marketing to go ahead and sell other people's products and generate $250 per day. And an easy way to do that is to, again, leverage your following and sell high ticket webinars that you can generate, $500 to $1,000 per day. And you just kind of continually rinse and repeat, putting those people through your funnel and then generating those sales each and every day. Now, the problem is with the brand spanking newbie, if you're just starting out, you probably don't have the expertise to create a product. You surely don't have the following, right? If you're just starting out, you don't have a big social media presence, so you don't have influence yet. So how do you, as the newbie, start out generating $250 per day? So I'm going to kind of talk about that right now. So if you're brand spanking new and you want to generate $250 per day, what you really need to do is you need to plug into a done for you system. So let's go and write that down. So a done for you system. And what you really want to look for is a done for you system that has multiple tiers of products that you're able to sell, which is going to give you the ability to make numerous amounts of commissions throughout the whole product funnel. So let's go ahead and kind of break down what that might look like. So you're going to start out, of course, with traffic, right? So we got these little stick figures here. They're going to be your traffic. And what you're going to do is you're going to send your traffic to your done for you system, right? You want to look for a front end offer that is just so irresistible that people will have to purchase, right? It needs to be giving a ton of value, whether it's software or training or coaching or whatever the case may be. It needs to be giving a lot of value and it needs to be a low cost. So most front end offers, you want to make them somewhere around, I would say, from $5 to, let's just say, $10, right? And this is basically just to generate a customer. So you're going to get them in the front end offer, and then from there, a great system will typically have some upsells. So next would be an upsells, and most upsells will pretty much be somewhere between, I would say, $50 and let's just say $197. So when you think about it, when this traffic comes to your site or to your done for you system, you're going to have this irresistible front end offer that you can generate between $5 and $10 on the front end. And then you're going to have a portion of those individuals that buy the front end product go through and buy the upsells, in which you can probably make anywhere between $50 to $197. But what's also cool about a great done for you system that has a great funnel is then you get led to the back end, right? And that's where a lot of the big profits are actually made. So we're going to go ahead and put back end here. So in the back end, you're going to have your mid to high ticket products. So let's go ahead and jot that down, mid to high ticket products. And these type products can range anywhere between, let's just say $297 all the way up to, let's just say $2,500 in commissions, right? So if you look at this, guys, even if I'm a newbie, right? Even if I'm a newbie and I don't have the big list and I don't have the big following, there is a lot of potential in here to make a lot of money. So we take a closer look at this, and you can look at all the potential income that you can actually make. So first of all, you have your front end sales. Secondly, you have your upsells. Third, you have your back end. And again, that's going to be your mid to high ticket products. But another good thing that you should look for if you're looking for a done for you system is a done for you system that allows you to make commissions on tools, affiliate tools. So this is very important because, you know, when anybody's building an online business, there's things that they're going to need. They're going to need like a software to build web pages or squeeze pages. They're going to need an autoresponder. They're going to need tracking. So if you look at these affiliate tools that anybody's going to need, and that done for you system allows you to make commissions on that, you know, you can make anywhere between, let's just say $50 to, let's just say $200 per month just on the recurring affiliate tools. So now if we kind of look at this in its totality, you got to think of, you know, you could be consistently making front end sales from $5 to $10. You can be making upsells from $50 to $197. You can be making back end sales from $297 to $2,500, as well as you can be making some recurring income here. So what I'm actually trying to get you guys to see is it is possible for somebody that's new to make $250 per day. But the thing I'm trying to get you guys to see is you probably have to piece it together. So you're probably going to get some sales in the front end. You're going to have some people buy upsells. You're going to have some people buy back end sales. You're going to have people get affiliate tools. So you're going to have income coming from these different little streams. And some days you may make way more than $250 a day. Some you may make a little less, but you can still average out $250 per day if you have a solid funnel in place. They need to have all these different components, and they definitely need to have, good value, because no one's going to buy any of this stuff if the value isn't great. So great value. And then you need great support. You need great training. And you got to think about it. If the training is good, if the support is good, is the value good, then people are being able to learn like the skill sets that then they can become this big super affiliate. They're learning how to build sales funnels. They're learning how to drive traffic. And now they can create their own product and they can build their own influence. And no matter what they go out and do going forward, they're learning the skills that they learn within that done for you system. So you want to make sure that whatever you're promoting is going to be high quality, high value. It's going to teach people, it's going to train people to be independent. It's going to train people to, no matter what they're promoting or no matter what they want to sell, it's going to help them do that. And again, if the goal is to make $250 per day, it's going to be a lot easier for you to generate $250 per day as a newbie if you have a funnel that can bring in all of these little micro payments every single day. You're getting money from front ends, you get money from back end, you get money from upsells, you get money from affiliate tools per month, you're getting recurring, all of this stuff just coming in and bringing you consistent money every single day, every single week, and every single month. So the idea is to find a good done for you system. Now, guys, if you don't have a good done for you system, I'm going to leave you 2 examples in the description below of 2 great done for you systems that have all of these different components. It has all the tiered levels from the front end all the way to the back end to commissions that you're going to be able to generate with affiliate sales, as well as all the great value, training, and support that we talked about earlier in regards to what you would need to have in a great done for you system. So go ahead and check that out in the description below. I'll have 2 links for you guys to go ahead and check out. Let me know what you guys think about it, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.